In this problem we have a equation and we have to solve it for y. So to do this we're going to use something called the square root property. So whenever you have a variable squared like this and it's equal to a number, what you do is you simply take the square root on both sides and this will become x, and the key part is that you'll always get a plus or minus whenever you do this. Okay. The important part is that the plus or minus. Okay, so the first step is to isolate this squared part. So we'll start by adding 7 to both sides. So plus 7 plus 7. So that'll leave us with 2y plus 3, and this whole thing is squared, and that's equal to 7. So now we can use the square root property, which says that we simply take the square root of both sides. So we have the square root, and we have the square root. So on the left-hand side, we just get 2y plus 3. And over here we have plus or minus, that's the key part, the square root of 7. All right, we're still looking for y. So now maybe we can subtract this 3. So minus 3 minus 3. So these cancel. And so now we have 2y equals minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 7. And since the y is being multiplied by 2, we can get rid of it by just dividing both sides by 2. So we end up with y equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 7 all divided by 2. And those would be the answers to this problem. I hope this video has been helpful.